Guys, what's up? It's me Vishal hosting the channel Big Deal, and today we are going to discuss some of the cool stuffs in command prompt. So let's get started. The first step is you go to the search button, simply search for the CMD tab, you click on it, then appears this traditional black and white looking window. So let's get to the point. So the first thing I am going to say is about clearing the screen. Maybe some of you know about it. If you know, then just please ignore. I'm sorry for that I taught some basics too, but simply you can watch this as well. That's not a big deal. So first, for clearing the screen, you can type CLS. I think most of you know about that. Next step is, this window looks pretty boring, so if you want to make it colorful, you can type COLOR, which stands for coloring, and type color A, then it will give you green. If you type COLOR color and a 2-digit number, you can, if you type only 1-digit number, it will turn that in different color. You can see that now it is a light green or something else. And if you type COLOR and 3, then it will give another color. So you can check all this. But if you type a 2-digit color, 2-digit number, then it will give you a color to the background as well. Like if you type 13, it will give a color like this. So if you type color 24, oh I missed, color 24, then it will give colors like this. So you can try all this, but I like color A basically. So type CLS to clear the screen. So if you don't want this C/user to appear, you can type @echo off. You press enter, then this will be gone. You can type CLS. So that's also gone. So if you want to change the title and make it something else, like I'll make it BISHAL, then see, you can see that the title has also changed. You can clear the screen as well. And if you want that CMD should prompt you to enter something, then you can type set/p something. You can type anything, ASD equals, enter what you want. So it will give you the chance to enter whatever you want. You can basically enter anything like ASDFG or anything. So you can store these values as well. I'll discuss about this in the next video. You clear the screen. So if you want that a text should be appearing on the command prompt screen, then you can type you can type anything like I'm sorry, did I miss something? My name is .ast. If you enter, then it will type that again. So this is also some feature of command prompt. This all looks good if you are onto batch programming. I will discuss about that also in the next video. So you can simply clear the screen. And one more thing, if you type PAUSE/null, then it will pop text which says select any key to continue. So if you enter this, press any key to continue. So press any key and it will continue again. You can clear the screen again using CLS, and you can make the users appear again using @echo on. You press enter, then this appears again, the CLS, and it is gone. So these were some of the stuff I wanted to discuss today. Hope I'll see you all in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel because it helps me a lot. It's me Vishal signing off for today. Thank you very much.